तेरी मम्मी प्रेग्नेंट होती ना फिर देखता मैं।
मेरी मम्मी प्रेग्नेंट होती तो और भी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती यार।
देखा,
पापा नहीं है ना मेरे।
आप बाकी मॉम्स की तरह नॉर्मल क्यों नहीं हो सकती है?
जब अमेजिंग हो सकती हूँ तो नॉर्मल क्यों बने?
Indian film industry is going through an extremely exciting times. The quintessential or the typical, so to say, masala or commercial, the lines are now getting blurred, and what I call an offbeat cinema is getting the tinge of commercial, and it's all becoming a very exciting mix where different kinds of people are coming and able to show their talent, directors and concepts and ideas and stories, and that's why we can see all sorts of very, very interesting faces, people and talent. And I am so extremely glad and happy that today on Chai Chat I'll be talking to someone who has managed to show her skills with wrestling, and then now is ready to show her skills of her brain, and in between has done something fictional as well. Very interesting face and very interesting Sania Malhotra. Thank you so very much.
So much, Lavina. Thanks a lot for that lovely introduction.
Welcome to Chai Chat.
Thank you, शुक्रिया.
We are having some kind of very कड़वी coffee chat.
बहुत ही.
ये लोग सब ना खाते भी खाते पीते कम है, फिर जब भी टोनी करता है तो कुछ पिलाता ही नहीं है.
हम खाते बहुत है, दिया नहीं जाता कुछ खाने को, क्योंकि पहले सोच लिया जाता है कि खाते तो होंगे नहीं, तो कुछ सर्व ही नहीं करते. बट दिस इज आल्सो ओके,
चलता है ना, इससे मेटाबॉलिक रेट बढ़ता है.
सच्ची? आई डोंट नो दैट.
कॉफी से कहते हैं ना, थोड़ा सा शॉट ले लो कॉफी का, फिर जाके एक्सरसाइज करो.
और हम यहाँ कॉफी पी के बैठ कर आराम से चिट चैट करेंगे.
तो सानिया, अगर आपने रिकॉग्नाइज किया हो तो गीता फोकट ना, बबीता फोकट, हाँ, छोटी वाली बहन. तो अभी भी आप छोटी वाली शकुंतला के लिए शूट कर रही हैं और पहले छोटी वाली.
आई एम प्लेइंग अनुपमा बैनर्जी, शकुंतला देवीज डॉटर.
अच्छा, फैंटास्टिक. और तो अभी आपने स्किल दिखाए थे अपने हाथ के, है ना? सो फॉर दैट यू वी नो ऑल नो कि आपने बहुत काम किया था, है ना? सो फॉर दिस टू डील विथ योर मम्स मैथ स्किल्स, व्हाट डिड यू हैव टू प्रेप फॉर?
For me, I think the script, which is written by Anu Menon, our director, was the only source of information that I had about Anupama Banerjee, because I met her on set while we were shooting. I couldn't meet her before that. So I developed her backstory. जो भी scenes मैंने पढ़े, जो भी मैं उससे ले सकती थी, I developed my own backstory about her. How she might have felt around her mother, who was this genius, was this lady. उनके तो हमें पता ही है उनके अचीवमेंट्स क्या क्या हैं, पर उनके अराउंड वो कैसा फील करती होगी और कैसी होगी. दैट आई हैड डेवलप्ड माई ओन बैक स्टोरी. ऑब्वियसली द लुक, आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव सीन इट और नॉट, द मेकअप, हेयर एंड एवरीथिंग रियली हेल्प मी टू गेट इनटू द कैरेक्टर. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड.
सो आई एम sorry for my ignorance, but is Anupama around?
Yeah,
and
yeah,
you met
she
her?
was in London.
Oh, but fantastic.
Yeah.
And you met her?
Yeah, I met her on set while on second day of my shoot. I met her.
So how did she feel being a... So you must have interviewed her like I'm interviewing you.
Yes, actually, when I was when I was in Bombay prepping up for the role, so what I usually do whenever I'm doing a character, I write weird stuff, like a diary entry as my character. So I was writing something down, and I had a few questions, and when I met her, I asked her that, is it true, were you like this, were you like that? And she confirmed, अभी तक तो सही चल रहा था, मेरा रिसर्च सही रहा. पर हाँ, when I met her, it's a very unique and a very dynamic relationship that they both shared. A lot of people know about Shakuntala and they know about her achievements, the kind of recognition that she got for India and everything, but they don't know about the relationship that she shared with her daughter. And I think with this film a lot of people will get to know more about her and her relationship.
ये जो डायरी एंट्री की आपने बात करी, is this something that you learned from Amir, who is a very method actor, or it was something that this is your form of acting you developed?
Because
I find it very interesting कि आप character में जाके and then you write as the character.
So during Dangal, we had wrestling. We did a lot of training before going on set. We did almost 9 months of wrestling and weight training to get. It really helped us to get into the character. तो एक आइडिया हो जाता था कि कैसे रेसलर्स चलते होंगे. स्क्रिप्ट तो थी हमारे हाथ में, बट रेसलिंग रियली हेल्प्ड अस टू गेट इनटू द कैरेक्टर. दिस आई डिड फॉर फोटोग्राफ, व्हिच वाज माय सेकंड फिल्म, एंड माय डायरेक्टर आस्क्ड मी टू डेवलप अ बैक स्टोरी अबाउट Meloni, the character that I played. और वहाँ से and I realized that it really helps me as an actor to know my characters well. कि आपको पता है कि वो ये सीन में क्या कर रहे होंगे या ऐसा क्या उनके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होंगे, और द बॉडी लैंग्वेज, स्मॉल थिंग्स. हाँ, मतलब I've started doing it
for
after
every character now.
Yes.
Yes, actually fantastic idea to just write as that character. Beautiful. It really must allow you to get into under the skin, or at least think how that would be, है ना? तो ये wrestling अभी continue करिए कुछ की?
बिल्कुल नहीं. खत्म हुई और मैं भाग गई.
छोड़ी. कब भागूं मैं?
सच्ची बहुत. It's a very tough sport. Though we absolutely enjoyed it, but it was really tough on us, like physically. Both Fatima and I were injured. Zaira, Suhani, सबको injuries तो होती रहती थी. Fatima broke her rib while wrestling. I was injured, like both my knees were gone completely. We had a physio on set all the time, तो पूरा time कहीं पे भी दर्द होता था. I got a tennis elbow because of wrestling. तो tennis elbow because of wrestling, वाह. तो ये बहुत चलता रहता था. तो उसके बाद though I was introduced to fitness and healthy eating because of Dangal, तो अभी I do work out, I do CrossFit and all, but I don't think so I'll be able to.
पर उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता बॉडी में जब आप इतनी स्ट्रेनुअस करो और उसके बाद छोड़ दो तो?
फिटनेस लेवल बढ़ जाता है, to be honest.
You have to maintain that.
Yeah, exactly. You
I'm
have
feeling
to.
so bad for you, but I should feel good for you. I should feel bad for myself who doesn't do it.
नहीं.
All the way around.
Yeah.
Oh, that's absolutely. So can I please tell you, I love your hair.
अरे, thank you.
Huh?
Thank you
Because आजकल I think maybe the environment now allows us to be. Otherwise ये जो हमेशा ये एक अजीब टाइप के बाल होते हैं ना, सीधी, और उसके बाद में उसमें कुछ कर लेते हैं, वो कर्ल वो अलाउ ही नहीं करते किसी कैरेक्टर को.
Yeah, right.
Apart from Katrina Kaif's style hair, I just find it so difficult to deal
I'm
with.
glad. In fact, this was for Badhai Ho when my director told me that I want to keep your texture. I want you to look like yourself. And it was even for photograph. I think things are changing. While growing up, I had a major issue. I had this major insecurity about my hair. कि कैसे बाल हैं. People used to call me झाड़ू या किससे कैसे बाल हैं. किसी को पता ही नहीं था कि curly बाल, how to style it, या ऐसे भी बाल होते हैं लोगों के. I love my hair, and I think.
Did you love your hair always, or did you start loving your hair later on?
Later on.
है ना?
Later on.
And I want to know that transformation for every girl who looks a bit different, maybe बाल से, शरीर से, body से, जो भी.
It's good.
है ना?
हाँ, यही तो uniqueness होती है. अगर आपके curly बाल हैं, you just have to like research. Like I did a lot of research on how to style curly hair. I was like, भी कुछ हो नहीं सकता. In fact, in school I used to, कोई भी बाहर जा रहा होता था घर से, तो प्लीज मेरे लिए ना कोई शैम्पू ले आना जिससे मेरे बाल स्ट्रेट हो जाएंगे. That's what I used to do. And I think in college I was like, I love my hair. Enough is enough. I'm going to like do more research about it, because even in India, even in ads, even shampoo brands, nothing आप कहीं नहीं देखोगे curly.
Correct.
And
so,
बीवी बालों वाली लड़कियों को.
बिल्कुल. And you constantly would want to straighten your hair, isn't it? Did you?
क्योंकि that's perfect.
हाँ.
वो वैसे बाल ही सुंदर लगते हैं, वैसे बाल एक्ट्रेसेस के होते हैं, वैसे ही बाल, क्योंकि वो स्ट्रेट करे जाते हैं. किसी को ये नहीं पता कि उसके आगे भी कोई प्रोसीजर होता है. लोगों ने स्ट्रेट करवा लिए हैं बाल. Nobody is like embracing the fact कि ये भी हो सकता है. ये
what you are. So see, I had a complex with my lips. Really. So I not एक भी photograph मेरी स्कूल के टाइम पे, and I used to hate taking photographs and come in front of screen, by the way. क्योंकि I thought my lips are so terrible. ऐसे होने चाहिए, पतले होने चाहिए. So I know when someone goes through something that's unique, and that actually is unique, isn't it, to your personality?
And, I think I'm glad, because I get so many messages on my Instagram and my social media, and there are so many girls who ask me ki, how do you style your curly hair, and I'm glad there's a revolution, I would say, and it's a high time, like these products and these, especially these hair shampoo जो भी brands है, they should like start promoting curly hair as well. बड़े सारे brands हैं, नहीं अभी तक they don't make curly
No.
hair products.
No.
It's high time, क्यों कितनी इंडिया में बहुत सारी लड़कियां हैं जिनके curly बाल है. I buy my products, मैं जब whenever I'm traveling, that's when I buy my
Yes.
curly hair products. There are no curly girl shampoos in India, no brand. You cannot see any girl promoting, like I am not promoting any shampoo brand क्योंकि उनको चाहिए नहीं है वैसे बाल,
हाँ.
क्योंकि according to them सबके बाल सीधे लंबे घने
लंबे घने और बीच में तो ज्यादा हो तो थोड़ा सा कर्ल कर लो,
वही,
है ना?
वही.
वो जो भी से करते
And I
हैं.
don't want to promote as an actor. I want. I know there are many young girls who are watching me, like maybe, yeah, on my movies, on they're following me on social media. I want to tell them that this is okay.
Yeah.
ऐसे बाल
Actually,
होते
this
हैं.
is beautiful. You looked so lovely in बधाई हो.
अरे thank you so much.
You looked so yourself. Anyway, तुम्हारी acting बहुत, if I can say तुम्हारी acting बहुत natural होती है.
अरे thank you so much.
हाँ, no, it's very natural, and I think your whole personality, उसने कहा कि तुम बाल वैसे ही रखो, that must have just
पहले
helped
तो
to-
डराया. Amit told me कि I loved your hair in Dangal, so should we cut it? Again. ये लेंथ आने में 2 साल लगे मुझे. Amit नहीं. And I said हाँ.
Seriously.
And I didn't even say कि अरे डायरेक्टर है, हाँ बोल देते हैं. मैंने कहा नहीं. I told him नहीं sir. I'm not going to cut my hair. I'm sorry.
तो when you did it for Dangal, तो वो क्या मतलब, did you go through the trauma of?
No, not at all.
नहीं.
They told us during the audition itself that we'll be cutting your hair. उस टाइम पे लगा था मजाक है.
अच्छा.
कि ऐसा थोड़ी ना होगा.
ऐसा
बाल
थोड़ी होता है
मरना
इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, बिग आएगा.
वही. पर we were ready to do anything for the film. Yeah.
हाँ.
It was our first film debut
मतलब-
और ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म, इतनी
गजब.
बड़ी फिल्म विद आमिर खान, डायरेक्टेड बाय नितिश तिवारी. इससे अच्छा डेब्यू किसी को मिल ही नहीं सकता
गजब.
था. बाल क्या कुछ भी हटा, गंजा कर दो, ले जाओ बाल.
ले जा. अच्छा. तो क्या सीखा आपने आमिर से?
क्या
As a I know you must have spoken so much, but जो आप अभी तक यूज करते हो.
क्या he's so aware about everything, not only acting. He's doing so much social work as well. वो तो हमें सबको पता ही है, चाहे वो उनका शो हो सत्यमेव जयते, या his Pani Foundation, the NGO that he's heading right now to eradicate the water problem.
crisis, yeah.
Exactly. So और काफ़ी कुछ, मतलब उस टाइम पे हमने ड्यूरिंग दंगल हम काफ़ी देखते थे कि ही सो सोशली अवेयर एज एन एक्टर. ही वांट्स टू गिव, लाइक सिर्फ एक्टिंग और मूवीज़ नहीं करना चाहते. ही वांट्स टू लाइक गिव द सोसाइटी समथिंग. लाइक ही इज़ यूजिंग हिज पॉपुलैरिटी रियली वेल एंड
Putting it to some use. अभी भी आप हो टच में?
नहीं, अभी तो बहुत बिजी हैं और मैं भी थोड़ा, मतलब जब भी मेरे को मैं कुछ साइन करती हूँ या कोई ट्रेलर आता है तो वी हैव अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप कॉल्ड द पहलवान्स.
I like that. The
Yeah.
Pehlwans, who's in it?
So Nitish sir, Fatima, all of us are there on it. Amir sir, Kiran, the producers. तो सब है, हम सब वहाँ पर है. तो हम वी कीप पोस्टिंग समथिंग. कुछ दंगल का आता है बिकॉज अभी तक लोग दे नो अस एज दंगल गर्ल्स. तो कुछ ना कुछ आता रहता है, या चाइना में कुछ हुआ, या कुछ हुआ कि दंगल का कुछ न्यूज़ आया, तो वी कीप पोस्टिंग ऑन दैट ग्रुप. दैट्स हाउ वी आर कनेक्टेड थ्रू व्हाट्सएप.
So WhatsApp है, WhatsApp जिंदाबाद, है ना? वो भी है, लेकिन WhatsApp की एक I've just realized that WhatsApp is also मूर्ख community. Sometimes you get fake news on it. So,
और फेक न्यूज़ जो मम्मा पापा मान लेते हैं.
oh no, what is the fake news that you had to go through?
नथिंग, ऐसा कुछ भी फैमिली ग्रुप पे कुछ भी आया, लाइक सम रैंडम स्टफ, दे विल बी लाइक नो दिस इज ट्रू, डोंट डू दिस. It's a fake news. They don't even check the facts and whether it's true or not. They just believe it.
So cute. अच्छा, मैं मम्मा पापा के बारे में पूछूंगी, लेकिन उससे पहले I've actually interviewed Nitesh as well. Have you seen Chichore?
I loved
You loved
it.
it, no? I also loved it.
Absolutely loved it.
I interviewed Chichore. Sorry, I interviewed Nitesh.
Chichore.
When Chichore was in. Sorry, Nitesh. No offense, but though you told me it was almost biopic.
नहीं, I'm telling you, you will love it.
I know. I
हम
loved it.
काफी चिचोरे थे यार. We had a backbench. We used to call ourselves backbenchers. So Nitish sir, Fatima and I, दंगल का कोई भी पार्टी होता था, कुछ भी गेट टुगेदर होता था, तो हम कोने में बैठ के सबका मजाक उड़ाते थे. So we
So you
were
were the chichore in Dangal.
हाँ,
huh?
बिल्कुल.
You, Fatima and Nitish.
हाँ,
अच्छा, I
बिल्कुल.
remember that fact. So क्या छुचेरागिरी करी थी? एक कुछ याद है?
हम बहुत प्रैंक्स करते थे यार.
हाँ.
वैसे सेट पे तो इतना अलाउ नहीं करता था वो भी, ऐसे बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट थे हम हमारे साथ, क्योंकि पता था कि अगर फातिमा, सान्या और नितिश सर मिल जाएंगे तो फिर काम नहीं हो पाएगा सेट पे. तो हमें दूर रखते थे नितिश सर से और क्या मॉनिटर से.
अच्छा, he looks quite सीधा, but he must be.
अरे नहीं. He wrote Chichore.
हाँ,
It's
I
his
know.
like he has experience.
Yes,
Yeah,
of course,
exactly.
his IIT experience. अच्छा, Fatima is leaving films.
No.
No, sorry, no. What was Zaira.
Yeah,
Did
yeah,
you see the Sky's Pink?
No, I haven't.
This is her last film now, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It
Have you
is.
spoken since?
No, I haven't. I saw her post and I haven't spoken to her yet. But I don't know. She's 19-year-old. It's her life. She can
जिंदगी है अभी,
हाँ,
जो चाहे
she can do
करे.
whatever she wants to.
Absolutely.